Hey guys, Gary here again from the Natural Living and Survival blog, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your front loading washing machine. Now a lot of times what happens is people will close the washing machine, and when it's wet you'll get mildew and you'll get a really bad funky smell in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to naturally clean the washing machine and we're going to make it smell really good. Now one of the things we're not going to do that you'll see listed on the internet is we're going to use vinegar and baking soda, but we're not going to mix the two together, because actually I'm going to cut to a video and show you what happens whenever you mix the two together, and it's not a good solution for cleaning. So we're going to use one, we're going to use vinegar, and then we're going to use the other, we're going to use baking soda to freshen it up. So let's go and look what happens whenever you mix vinegar and baking soda together. And you may remember this from high school chemistry. Okay, so let me show you why you don't use vinegar and baking soda together in any cleaning solutions that you do around the house. We do use vinegar and we do use baking soda in our natural cleaning solutions, but we never want to mix them, and this is why. Now what you're getting here is a release of carbon dioxide from the reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar. And what you're left with after it stops bubbling is water and sodium acetate, which is totally useless for cleaning anything. So that's why you don't want to mix those two together. You want to use either vinegar or baking soda. Now you can use baking soda with hydrogen peroxide, but that's another thing that I wanted to bring up, is you don't want to mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, because you get peracetic acid, which is caustic and can burn your skin. Okay, so we're back here, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up the detergent on the machine, and we're going to take out this because we're going to put in 2 cups of white vinegar. So I've got a 1 cup measuring cup here, so we're going to put in 1 cup. We're going to let it pour right through. And I managed to spill a little bit of it, so we'll wipe that up and then we'll get started. Okay, so I've got my 2 cups of vinegar in, and what we're going to do next is I'm going to put it on a really hot setting. So mine has a setting called steam. So it's got a deep steam setting, so I'm going to put it on that, and then we're going to run the washer, let it run. It says it'll take about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to use the baking soda. Okay, so I finished the steam cycle with the vinegar, and now our last step is we're going to put in 1 cup of baking soda. And we're just going to take this cup of baking soda and we're going to sprinkle it around. So we sprinkle the baking soda around in the tub, and that's going to help freshen it up. And now what I'm going to do is run it on a hot water cycle, just a quick rinse, just to run it through there and freshen it up, and that's the last step. And now your front loading washing machine, it will be clean. You'll get rid of all the mildew, and you'll get the odors will be taken out by the baking soda. So let's run the washing machine, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.